Hey everyone, welcome back to Sweetascent, where we take baking to new heights. Today, we're making the ultimate fudgy brownies, rich, chewy, and packed with deep chocolate flavor. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned baker, this recipe is going to be your new favorite. Let's dive in. Ingredients. Hey everyone, here's what you'll need. 1 cup, 225 grams, unsalted butter. Melted, 1 cup, 200 grams, granulated sugar. 1 cup, 200 grams, brown sugar. Packed, 4 large eggs, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, 1 cup. 120 grams, all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup, 75 g, unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1 cup. 175 grams, chocolate chips or chunks. Step 1. Prep. Preheats the oven and prepares a baking pan. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and lining an 8 by 8 inch, 20 by 20 centimeters, baking pan with parchment paper. This makes it easy to lift the brownies out later. Step 2. Mix wet ingredients, whisks butter and sugars in a mixing bowl. In a large bowl, whisk together the melted butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar until smooth. This helps create that signature chewy texture. Adds eggs one at a time, whisking after each addition. Now, add in the eggs, one at a time, whisking well between each. This step adds structure and richness. Then, mix in the vanilla extract for that extra depth of flavor. Step 3. Mix dry ingredients. Sift flour, cocoa powder, salt, and baking powder into a separate bowl. In another bowl, sift together the flour, cocoa powder, salt, and baking powder. This ensures everything is evenly combined and there are no lumps. Step 4. Combine. Gradually folds dry ingredients into the wet mixture using a spatula. Gently fold the dry ingredients into the wet mixture. Be careful not to overmix, just until you see no streaks of flour. Overmixing can make your brownies cakier instead of fudgy. Step 5. Add chocolate chunks. Adds chocolate chips to the batter and stirs. Now for the best part, chocolate chunks. Fold them in for extra gooiness. You can also add nuts if you like a little crunch. Step 6. Bake. Pours the batter into the lined pan and smooths the top. Pour the batter into your prepared pan and spread it out evenly. Bake for 30-35 minutes until the top looks set but still slightly soft in the center. Remember, fudgy brownies should have a little wobble in the middle. They'll set as they cool. Step 7. Cool and slice. Removes brownies from the oven, lets them cool, and slices into neat squares. Once baked, let them cool completely in the pan before slicing. I know it's tempting, but trust me, this makes cutting easier and keeps them extra fudgy. Final reveal, lifts a brownie square, showing its gooey interior. And there you have it, the perfect fudgy brownies. Just look at that texture. Dense, chewy, and bursting with chocolaty goodness. Closing, takes a bite. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more delicious bakes from Sweetascent. And let me know in the comments, do you like your brownies with or without nuts? See you next time, and happy baking!